Alright, hey everybody, hey YouTube, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about the things I love about the Lowrider S. Before we get started, just wanted to thank everybody for watching, liking the videos, and commenting and subscribing. That's awesome. Makes me know you guys really enjoying the content. Alright, so let's get out of here. I just filled up the Lowrider S full tank of gas. I actually didn't even check to see how much it cost me, but I had to use the app, the Gas Buddy app, because everywhere else the gas for premium was like $4.93 was like $5.67, but out here they only had it for like $5.20. So I was like, heck yeah. Alright, so things I love about the Lowrider S. We'll just start off and go ahead with the most obvious thing, which is the looks, right? It's got a club style. Sorry, it's a little dusty. It's got the club style. I mean, it's just a mean bike, you know. It's got the bronze wheels up front. I love those. I really like the way those look. Inverted front forks. It's got like that West Coast style. I just really like club style Harleys. That's my favorite type of Harley there is. The styling definitely drew me towards this bike. I like the styling of the Street Bob too, but the Lowrider S is like my favorite model there is. So I'm glad I didn't settle for a Street Bob or anything. Along with that, you get the 117 in it. That usually was in the CVOs and whatnot, but now we get them for the Lowrider S, which is nice because it's a light bike. Well, light for a heavyweight cruiser, I guess. That's what it is. It's I think it's like 680 to 690 pounds. I'm not quite sure. But yeah, usually these are in like 900 pound bikes, so it's kind of nice that they're in here. But yeah, definitely, I just like having all that power. I mean, I would have gone, even if they didn't have any 2022 Lowrider S's, I would have been fine just going with the, if they had like a used 2021 or 2020 model, but, which they did, but thank God. Luckily, I was able to get the 114, which I'm glad I ended up doing, because it's sick. I love it. Comes with that aftermarket, or whatever, air breather, so that's nice. And it's just making a ton of power off the line. 125 foot-pounds of torque, that's nice. I like that. What else? I really like that this bike comes with a 5-gallon gas tank. Definitely makes it last a while. I've been filling it up a lot recently, but that's just because I've been riding a ton. And I don't mind. I like anything to do with the bike. I love it. So it's definitely like comfortable right off the box. You know, really, I mean, I'm 6'1", and this is stock, so I haven't done anything for comfort or anything, and honestly I've been fine on it. Like I said in the other videos, I plan on doing some things like risers and stuff, but you know, straight out the box or out the dealership door, this bike is pretty comfortable, which I like, because it's got like the lower handlebars, but it still manages to be a lot comfier position than any standard bikes any naked bikes out there, I think. Because when I had the Z400, I'm hunched over on this, but I feel like on the Z400 I was definitely hunched over a lot more, because my back doesn't start hurting as much as soon as it does on like the Z400, and I can have like a more time of no back hurting on this thing. So yeah, that's one of the good things. I really like the seats. Not bad for being stock seat. Like, it's been fine. I've been enjoying it. But what else? I guess we're gonna go back to the power. That being said, the power is really good. I feel like you have torque everywhere, up and down the power band. 3,500 RPM is where it usually like hits it and stuff, to where you can really feel the torque. but honestly you can get a ton of it even underneath that. This thing's a ripper. It should beat most cars off the line, like no lie. Not saying I'm gonna go out here and start drag racing people, but it's nice knowing that if I want to, I have to take off fast, I'm gonna be able to do that. I know we said it was a heavyweight cruiser or just a little bit ago. It is, but the handling on this thing is still good. I don't want to say it's like nimble, but for a heavyweight cruiser, it is nimble. So that's one of the things I was worried about when I got it. Because coming off the Z400, I was able to like maneuver that bike around so easily. Like it was like a 400 pound bike, and then yeah, so that bike I was able to do whatever I wanted pretty much with the bike. Like it was super light. I could weave in and out super easily, super nimble. And then this thing honestly surprised me of how, I mean, I'm not gonna say it's like super nimble, but like it can get the job done, you know what I mean? Like it's still pretty maneuverable, as you can see. And what's going on up here? The weight is manageable. I was definitely worried about the weight, obviously, when I first got it, because I was coming off a like 300-400 pound bike, and then this thing's like 600 pounds, 690, wet, ready to ride. I was like, sheesh. I was a little worried going to the dealership and stuff. Like, yeah, I had it on the back of my mind even when I first got on it, but I mean, going from a 400 to this thing, you better be freaking a little bit nervous, or else a little stupid. But I was excited too. So I mean, honestly, I just went around the neighborhood a few times when I first got it before taking it on the main road, and literally after the second circle around, geez, yeah, I was comfortable. Ooh, I do not want to take the toll road. Shoot, I gotta get out of here, turn around somewhere. Ooh, that's a nice little pond right there. I guess we're going to Leesburg. I didn't know this place took you to Leesburg, but I'll turn around somewhere over here. Honestly, there's just everything about this bike I love. The power, the looks, the style, everything they did to the bike. I haven't had any problems with it yet. If I do, I will tell you guys. Obviously, I'm not going to keep anything hidden. But, man, I don't regret anything about this bike. I could leave it stock for the rest of its existence and I'd still be just as happy as the first day I got it. Which is awesome. Now where the heck am I? I'm gonna have to pop open my little Waze app here in a second. Shoot. Don't even matter though. Yeah, I got plenty of gas. It don't matter. We'll just see where the road takes us. Look at that. 569 for diesel at that sheets. Oh, I know where we are. Never mind. Sheesh. Yeah, there'll be room for me to turn on over here somewhere. Figured I'd get this ride and video done like in the, I mean, it's 10 o'clock ish. It's supposed to be like 90 something today, so I was like, yeah, it's gonna be a pain riding later in the heat. Might as well see if I can get a video out now. I tried doing one yesterday, but there's like, honestly, there's so many stupid drivers out that it was just ruining my video and then pissing me off, and I didn't feel like trying to do it. I didn't feel like doing anything stupid. Honestly, I have no idea where the heck I'm going, but I'm just turning around, so. What the hell? Sprinkler. School of Counseling. Institute for the Psychological Sciences. Alright. Oh, I guess it's supposed to be an adventure, right? Let's go through the water. And turn around and go back the way we came. That was cool. I love exploring new roads on the bike. Oh yeah, let me go. Honestly, I don't like when there's like trees covering the stoplight, because I want to know if I'm like if it's gonna be green or not. But it's I hate not knowing, because I want to be able to make sure I can stop in time if I need to. Work trucks went on a stone factory or whatever. Cement factory. Alright everybody, sorry about that cut. It just got super noisy. Sport bike ZXR, I think. Freaking that road, yeah, it was, yeah, when I go over a certain speed, the microphone will start popping, so I knew that it wasn't gonna sound good for y'all, so I just cut the video right there. We just gonna continue it off right here though, which is nice. I need to figure out some way for that to happen, because ooh, those look nice. Yeah, I don't know why it keeps popping. I don't know if it's because it's just like stuck in there and it can move around when the wind hits it. I don't know if I gotta like put something to like tape it in place or what, but hopefully figure that out so I can actually go on the highways a little bit without breaking your guys' eardrums. That'd be nice. But anyway, you know, those are just a couple of the things I love about the Lowrider S.